In today's video, we're going to cover how to enter your employer's EIN from your W-2 in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return where you want to add the W-2 information. Once you are inside the return, go to the Federal section, then open Income, and from there choose Wages and Salaries, also labeled W-2. In that area, select the option to add a new W-2 or review one that is already there, depending on what you see on your screen. TurboTax may take you to a screen called Get Faster, More Accurate Taxes with W-2 Autofill. On that screen, enter your employer's Employer Identification Number, or EIN, exactly as it appears in Box B of your W-2. This number identifies the employer connected to that form, so it is important to copy it carefully from the W-2 before moving forward. After entering the EIN, click Continue. If TurboTax is able to find and import the form, you can follow the prompts on screen. If it cannot import the W-2 automatically, choose Type it in myself, then click Continue. That will take you to the manual entry screens, so you can complete the form using the details printed on your W-2. Next, enter the employer information from the form. Include the EIN from Box B, the employer name from Box C, and the employer address exactly as shown. If your W-2 includes a control number in Box D, you can enter that as well. Since that field is optional, you can leave it blank if it is not present on your form or if TurboTax does not require it to continue. If needed, select Show Employee Info to open the section for your personal details. Then enter the information from boxes A, E, and F of your W-2. This includes your Social Security number, your name, and your address as listed on the form. When entering these details, match the document closely so the tax return stays consistent with the W-2 you received. After those fields are complete, click Continue. From there, continue entering the rest of the W-2 information. Add your wages, tax withholding, and any other amounts or codes shown on the form in the fields TurboTax provides. Move through each screen and compare your entries with the printed W-2 as you go. Before you continue with the rest of your tax return, review everything one more time to make sure the EIN, employer details, and wage information were entered correctly. Your employer's EIN and the rest of your W-2 information are now entered in TurboTax.